So you have a quiz and you want the students to only be able to view the quiz. Maybe you have some issues with kids getting on gaming sites or on YouTube when they should be taking the quiz and you just want them to be on the quiz until they finish. Well, there's a way to do that. If you have your quiz open and you go to the gear up here on the top right, boop, and go ahead and go to the far right side where it says quizzes. First, make it a quiz, and then you can turn on locked mode. If you check that, I want to point out one thing. If you go back to general, all of these options are now, they have to collect email addresses. You have to restrict users to be Paint Valley, and they can only have one response because respondents must take the quiz using a managed Chromebook. They can't take a quiz on their desktop at home or a desktop at all. They have to be on the school Chromebook in order to take a locked quiz. So after you hit save, when you send out that link to for the kids to take a quiz, I can't open it right now because I'm not on a Chromebook. I'm at home. Those are my curtains. When they go to take that quiz, it'll look something like this. They'll get a notification that they're about to go into a locked quiz. And when they click on start quiz, it'll go to full screen mode and they won't be able to navigate out of the quiz until they hit submit. Hope that's helpful.